we're at 115 Beacon Street in the Back Bay. That way is the Boston Common. Next street over is Berkley. And this is the entrance into the building. And we're going to take a look at studio number 3, which is this one. So as you enter the building, the studio is immediately to the right. So here's apartment 3. And it is a front-facing unit facing Beacon Street. Here you have a kitchen. It's a standard full-size kitchen. You just don't have an oven, but you still have 4 electric cooktops, microwave and dishwasher, and then the bathroom is this way. So here's the space again. Decorative fireplace, very high ceilings, makes it feel even more spacious. And here we are looking at Beacon Street. Here's the studio again. And we're going to go take a look at the laundry, which is just downstairs. Here you have 2 washers, 2 dryers, and then trash and recycling goes here as well.